Domain name resolution. Resolve the domain name to an associated IP address. Installation preparation. Preparation for installing software. SSL preparation. Domain name preparation. Install. Double-click Install. Select Installation Directory. Domain name filling. Select IIS-PFX certificate. IIS certificate password PFX password.txt. Select Apache XXX_public.crt file. Select Apache XXX_com.key file. Select Apache XXX_chani.crt file. Select local time zone. Special reminder, replace the configure.xml file. 1. Enter the UVM server/media directory and send the configure XML file to the supplier. 2. Send the server's MAC address and IP address to the supplier. 3. Replace the old configure XML file with the new configure XML file provided by the supplier. Stop the CNMS_CARI media server service. Replace the configure XML file. Start the CNMS_CARI media server service. Log in to the UVMS client.